Party foods and appetizer. There are countless foods that you can have circling the room, such as bran, chips, and even cheese, but they are actually healthier and alternatives yet you can serve. Here are 7 healthy party recipes. Number 1. Mini crab cakes. Crab cakes contain omega-3 fatty acid, which helps to lower blood pressure as well as keep blood pumping to the heart. It also helps to control the muscles from contracting continuously and especially from exercising. Mini crab cakes are a quick and easy recipe that you can cook under 35 minutes. The main task would be what kind of dip to make for them, which can be ranch, sour cream, or even guacamole. Number 2. Mozzarella sticks. Mozzarella sticks are part flavor not only for their great taste but also for the amount of calcium and vitamin D that you getting from each serving. It gives you these essential nutrients which help with strengthen bones and also aid with digestion. Mozzarella sticks are quick and easy to make. The inclusion of the breadcrumbs and whatever cheese you like, including blue and cottage cheese. You can also include a dip or salsa sauce for it. It is especially a favorite snack with kids who enjoy the cheesy filled sticks. Number 3. Salsa. Salsa is a staple dish for all the parties. It is simple and fun to make and can be changed from party to party. There is a variety of salsa that can use and even buy from a store already made. Salsa's ingredients usually include tomatoes, peppers, and lime, which all have a variety of nutrients such as vitamin A and C. It also contains fiber, which aids with digestion and prevents constipation and diarrhea from occurring. It also low in calories. You can include salsa for a bunch of foods such as chips and mozzarella sticks. Number 4. Guacamole. Guacamole is another food at parties. Its main ingredient is avocado, which contains beta-syssterol, which helps to lower blood cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. It also contains low fats as well as unsaturated fats. Guacamole can be the main dip of all kinds of foods and can even be included on meals such as tacos and burritos. Number 5. Shrimp cocktail. Shrimp cocktail is a party favorite recipe for just how delicious it tastes. Shrimp is high in proteins, which helps to keep you fuller for longer as well as helps to give you a boost for energy. It also contains zinc, which helps to add protection for your immune system by giving it help to fight off disease and illness. The sauce can be used for shrimp cocktail is usually tomato, but you can also experiment with other kinds of combinations.